Here at CPAP Supply USA, we strive to educate our customers in all aspects of their sleep therapy. Today's topic, how to connect your tubing to your new mask. When replacing your CPAP mask, you will find removing this one piece of plastic could save you time and frustration. In order for your new mask to fit with your current tubing, you'll want to check to see if this piece is here. Your new mask will not fit if this piece is still in your tubing. It may not be time to replace your mask, but it is time to replace your tubing. In this situation, you may open your new tubing and find your old mask will not fit properly. If your old mask doesn't seem to be working with your new tubing, we suggest taking a look at your old tubing to find the hard plastic piece that may still be attached. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any question about your PAP therapy, please call us at 866-560-2727 or send us an email at info@cpapsupplyusa.com.